nagulat ako. Sobrang nagulat ako kasi I was rejected already. Face-to-face rejection. So, hindi ko alam bakit ako shortlisted at bakit ako in-invite for a cabin crew job. Di ba nakakapagtaka? I am 5'2" and a cabin crew. Hello everyone, my name is Jency and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my journey of becoming a cabin crew here in UAE. This story is going to be a little bit long, so grab your popcorn or your coffee or go on with your labada or yung paghuhugas nyo and listen to my story. I will be putting a timestamp in the description box. However, I do prefer that you listen to the full story so that you'll get an idea of what's the process or my full journey of becoming a cabin crew. Now, this video is going to be delivered in English and Filipino so that I can, express to you my emotions para mas detailed. Captions though are available in the screen down below for your convenience if you're not a Filipino speaker. Now, before we start, I just want to say that I'm sharing you my story so that you'll be inspired to pursue your dreams in the future if you want to become a cabin crew. Alright? Now, let me start by introducing myself, my background, and my work experience so that you'll get to know me a little bit more. My name is Jency. I took Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management at De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. After I graduated, I came to UAE on a visit visa and was able to work with an IT company as a marketing coordinator. I got promoted after a few years as a marketing executive. After that, I was an administrator, marketing executive, and a personal assistant, an all-around woman employee in an environmental services division of a conglomerate here in Dubai, and was employed there for 2 years. Now, in that company, there was a restructuring at that time, and my boss, who is the general manager, was kind enough to allow me to go for interviews, and he said that he will give me recommendations should I need them while applying. So, the salaries will be restructured and the management will be changed. Kaya yun. That's where I started to look for jobs. I was not looking for a cabin crew job. I was looking for purely marketing and admin jobs. Now, one day, one of my friends told me na, "Uy, Jency, merong hiring sa open day, may open day sa isang airline dito sa UAE. Tara, punta tayo." Sabi niya. Tapos sabi ko, "Ha? Hindi ako pasado dyan kasi ang baba ko eh. Wala nang mawawala eh. Try lang natin." Yun sabi niya. Okay, sige, since naghahanap naman ako ng trabaho. Although I know at that time na parang, magkasayang lang ako ng pamasahe, tsaka ng time and effort. But anyway, sige, let's go and let's try. We went for the interview. I remember it was June 2012. Ang init nun. I was agitated on that day kasi binaba kami ng taxi malayo sa building. Napakainit. If you're in UAE, you know how hot it is here. Ang init talaga. So, ang ganda-ganda mo, pang-attire ako, interview attire ako. Tapos pawis na pawis ako kasi layo ng nilakad namin papuntang building. Kasi sa iba kami din daw. Now, when we went to the location, it was an outdoor location. First step or the first screening, I guess, that they do is you have to fall in line and submit your CV, and then they will be doing a height and weight check on you. So when it was my turn, punas-punas ng pawis kaunti. So I gave my CV to the person who's like recruiting or screening. Tapos, sabi niya, okay, sige, can you step on the scale so we can check your weight and height? I took my shoes off, kanya. Sabi ko, ba yan? Ito na eh. Ito na yung this is the make it or break it part. Sabi ko, okay lang, sige, positive. Pumunta lang naman ako dito just to try. Alam ko na 100% hindi ako matatanggap kasi sa height requirement. Alright? So, I stepped on the scale. Tapos, weight check, height X. So, as soon as I came down, sabi niya sa akin, oh my dear, I'm so sorry, but you didn't pass our height requirement. Sabi ko, okay, it's alright, no problem. Because at the back of my mind, naisip ko, alam ko naman na hindi ako pasado. So, carry lang. I just wanna satisfy myself na, okay, sige, ginawa ko lahat para makapag-apply lang ako. Okay? Para ma-applyan ko tong trabaho na to. Now, she said, would you be willing to do a ground job? Sabi ko, yes, of course, sure. Sabi ko, if you have a vacancy in marketing, that would be great. Ang totoo niyan, hindi ko masyadong pinangarap na maging cabin crew nung bata pa ako. Kasi, nung bata pa ako kasi sabi ng mga tao, uy, yung anak mo, tangkad niyan. Siguro paglaki niya kasi tangkad yung tatay, tapos yung haba ng legs, tapos payat. Pero habang lumalaki na ako, parang alam mo yun, nung grade 6 ako parang nag-stop na lang hanggang dito yung height ko. So, naisip ko siya, I aspired to become a flight attendant when I was younger. Pero parang nilet ko talaga yung thought na yun. Kaya sabi ko, ay hindi na ako patangkay. So, okay lang naman din. Every girl wanted to become a flight attendant at some point in their life. So, nangyari sa akin yun. Pero totoo kong gusto talagang maging, when I was in high school, I was planning to take up mass communications. Gusto kong maging reporter. Gusto ko yung mga tipong, alam mo yun, kasama sila Itang Medina, sila Bernadette Zambrano, tapos pupunta ka ng Supreme Court, tapos mag-i-interview ka ng ganyan, kung ano nangyari, sila nang in-impeach, or whatever. Yun, gusto kong makasama sila. At Mike Enriquez, tsaka si Jessica Soho. MJS na yan. O, diba? So, gusto ko talaga maging isang reporter and maging newscaster. Yun yung pangarap ko when I was in high school. But life took me on a different path and I took up marketing management na hindi ko rin naman pinagsisihan. I was really happy and glad. Very timely din. I was able to get a marketing related job here in UAE. Tapos, I was able to use my education or my course. So let go of that thought of becoming a cabin crew. Lalong-lalo na nung nag-flight kami from Manila to Dubai. Wow! Yun yung first time ko na makasakay ng eroplano. Tapos yung nakita ko yung mga crew, sabi ko, wow! Ang gaganda nila. Ang tangkad nila, and they have their own beauty, and they are confident, and very nice, and kind at the same time. O diba? Perfect! Sila na! Tapos, naalala ko, nagsara-sara pa nga ako ng overhead storage. Sabi ko, put ko naman, pero may konting tingkayad. Hindi pa tingkayad. Put ko naman, pero para talagang effort, Boeing yun, mas mataas ang. So yun, that's why I really kind of let it go. I know that I will not be a cabin crew, so sabi ko, sige, carry lang, okay lang naman. Now, going back, nag-sidetrack tayo a little. So, 1 month later, I received an email from the airline company saying that, Dear Jency, your CV or application has been shortlisted for the position of cabin crew. Please be on this date, blah blah blah, for the interview. Sabi ko, oh my God! Sobrang nagulat ako kasi I was rejected already, face-to-face rejection. So hindi ko alam bakit ako shortlisted at bakit ako in-invite for a cabin crew job. Di ba nakakapagtaka? I remember there was a movie by Rufa May Quinto long time ago na parang hinangin yung application niya dun sa from rejection or rejected papers papunta sa mga approved or accepted CVs. So parang feeling ko baka ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Anyway, surprising. As soon as I finished reading the email, I received a call from the HR. Actually, they called on my desk number. I was like, hello, ganyan-ganyan, Jency speaking. Tapos sabi nila, hi, this is Jenny from the airline company. You were shortlisted for the position of cabin crew. Would you be available on this day? Blah, blah, blah. So I was like, for what position? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, cabin crew. Sabi ko, akala ko rejected ako. Sinabi ko pa yun on the phone. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, no, it's for the position of cabin crew. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, great. Nakakagulat talaga. Sobrang nakakagulat. Kasi it was 1 month after the open day. So, tapos na talaga lahat. Nag-a-apply na ako. I went on with my applications with other companies. So, wala na siya sa isip ko. Alam mo yun, yes, finally, feeling ko nanalo na ako. Ma-invite lang sa interview. Ayun, because I know how difficult it is to be invited for an interview kasi sa screening pa lang, dami ng likwak, di ba? So, ayun, at that time, I really prayed for it before going for the interview and I really prepared myself. Now, I will be doing another video for the whole interview process kasi medyo mahaba siya and I wanna let you know the details. Kapag sinali ko yung dito sa video na yun, wala na. Ilang oras na tong kwentuhan natin. So, I'll be making another video for that and how I went on with each process. By the way, it's a 5-step interview. So, if you wanna know more about that or if you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. So, para alam ko na interesado kayo na mapanood yun or malaman. I received an email saying that I got accepted for the position of a cabin crew. Alam nyo, sobrang saya ko. Sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. First of all kasi nasa isip ko na hindi talaga ako magiging cabin crew kasi ang baba ko eh. Okay? When you're in the room full of beautiful girls, nakaka-insecure talaga na parang, wow, ang baba ko na nga, hindi pa ako masyado maganda. And at that time, I didn't have my braces yet, so sungki-sungki pa yung ipin ko. I mean, I would say na it was the grace of God talaga and a little bit of luck that got me accepted. Super saya and I'm really grateful for our Lord na binigay sa akin itong opportunity nito of becoming a cabin crew. You know, God moves in ways that you'll never expect. Really, you'll never expect. So it was August at that time when I started my training with the airline company. But I was still working in the company that I was with dun sa Dubai Investment Park. So Ramadan season on, from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, I was in Dubai Investment Park and I had to travel to Sharjah to go for the night training. Grabe, it was really a very difficult time financially, really. I can't imagine. Yung ang dami ko ng utang, makapamasahe lang ako kasi ang layo niya eh. And I was really grateful as well for my previous employer, yung amo ko. In fact, nag-aaral ako sa trabaho ko. Nagbabasa ako ng manual. He was really kind enough to allow me to do that. And anyway, it was during the Ramadan time. Medyo low ang business activities and pa-resign na rin siya and the other managers at that time. So, medyo wala nang masyadong tasks at hand. Apart from that, I had a sketchy opportunity with another company and they were offering me a lot of money to be a personal assistant pero may catch. So, yun na yun. They really wanted me to start immediately. Wala nang training period, wala nang masyadong interview process because I know the hiring person and the hiring person also knew me through a recommendation from an HR manager. So I was happy he stopped calling me to come and join na. Alam mo yun, to start immediately. Kasi this job allowed me or opened me up to more opportunities. If there's anything that I want you to take away from my story is that huwag po tayong tumigil kung meron tayong pangarap sa buhay. Go and get it. Do something. Take the first step. Ayun. Trust in God. Always pray to the Lord and ask for His guidance and wisdom. I hope this story inspires you or it helps you in any way. As I've said, I will be doing another video of the whole interview process so you will get an idea of how it is or what's the process like specifically dito sa UAE. In the future, if you wanted to become a cabin crew, you can always look back on my video and refer to the possible steps that you may encounter. Thank you again guys for watching. Stay safe wherever you are. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll get updated whenever I post new videos here on YouTube. Thank you and bye! This video is going to be long, so go grab your coffee or popcorn or pet your cat. Parang ito.